700 common word exercise number second half start 80 word per minute. Start. The first prize was to be $500 if the best suggestion put forward seemed worth that sum. Stop. So Will had thought and thought and had put in his own ideas for the improvement of methods. Stop. The following day, he told me the employees were to learn who had won the prizes. Stop. May put her hands in his, for she saw that he cared very much, that he had high hopes, but she could not help feeling that the $500 would never be theirs. Stop. She was wrong. Stop. Will won the prize and his suggestions were concerned considered to be so outstanding that the directors of the company had marked him down as a man worth watching. Stop. Paragraph. So, on that lovely day in June, Will and May had some houses to look over, houses in the country with rooms with a view. Stop. The first of the houses turned out to be much too large. Stop. The houses was cheap, but it was old and would need much money spent on it before it would be any good at all. Stop. The second house, on the other hand, was too small. Stop. It was a pleasing little place, very clean and well planned, but far too small. Stop. Paragraph. May was beginning to have a heavy heart. Stop. Perhaps even with the money in the bank, it would still be impossible for them to get a house to meet their requirements, and their requirements, she believed, were so simple. Stop. Paragraph. They walked to the third house. Stop. It was a little way out of the small market town of the principal street, and the road leading to it had not been made up. Stop. They had to walk carefully in order not to fall into the many holes that were in the road. Stop. Oh dear, this is no good. Stop, thought May, and then they saw the house. Stop, set well back from the road. It was placed by itself in a wide piece of land. Stop. It was white, and the windows and doors were covered with clean blue paint. Stop. The windows were low and long, and the rooms inside were clean and light. Stop. The grounds had been well cared for. Stop. Paragraph. Oh, what a wonderful place! Me cried, and she knew that she must live her married life in that house and in no other. Stop. And the hearts of those two young people were light, and they seemed to walk on air as they returned to the property office to put down some money and sign some paper. Stop writing.